So I'm going to see if I can fix this here moped and get it to run again after a few years of it sitting up.
What is happening, folks? Welcome to the channel. But they're just doing good, you feel me? So I've been lacking on the Honda content lately, and I don't want to disappoint you guys. So as you can see right there, this is a Honda Motor Company made in Japan Schwinn moped. Now that's a lie. This is a Honda replica motor from China, and I need to replace the carb, and it looks like I need to replace this fuel filter because I just broke that taking a look at it. So first thing you're going to want to do, you would take off this fuel line. I don't need to because mine broke. Just unscrew this right here, the top part. And get yourself a little screwdriver. Unscrew this piece right here. Get nice and loose. Yep, alright. Unscrewing that till it slides out. Now, this little piece right here, I believe is your float or something like that. I'm just going to leave that alone. And go ahead and spin that off. There's that. Now this was leaking pretty bad, so I figure the seals on it are just kaput. And that's why I put it up in the first place, because it was leaking. I was gonna get this thing running, and then the powers that be, George Soros, came in and messed this up. So I already have my replacement here that I bought a while ago. Brand new unit. It has a filter up in there, so this is good just to slap right on. It's got a nice little G thing right there. So we can unscrew this here. And that shoots on out. And then we have the same little float in there, the pin, and that guy. Alright, so moving along really quick. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the existing float dealy and slide that back on in there. It's gonna be a what's the right word for that? The directional type deal. So the side that has the slit in it, right here, there's a little pin inside here. I don't know if you can really see it, but you can kind of see a little shiny pin in there. And you're gonna just go ahead and slide that piece right up in there. Move it around till it slides down. And I think that should be good to go. Alright, it was just kind of hard to do it with one hand, so... Oh, it's a live spider. Get out of here, dude. So many spider webs. So yeah, all I had to do is just loosen up this top bolt right here, or nut. And then that gave me enough slack to get this screwed on there, so finish that up. Just like that. Get it nice and tight. And we should be good to go. Just kind of muscle it on there. There we go. Perfect. And then we just go ahead and tighten this part back down again. And this will be needing to be adjusted, I think, maybe, just because there could be some sort of, you know, play somewhere or needs to be adjusted. I don't know. We'll figure all that out tomorrow. But that's pretty much how you replace a carb on one of these eBay 50 or 80cc moped kits. Alright, so I forgot about this filter here. Now it looks like it's pretty clean. It looks dirty on the outside, but overall the filter itself is clean, so I think it's going to be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and toss this on, and then that'll complete the video here. The tubing on this for the gas, I'm not really using what you'd consider like quote-unquote like gasoline grade, you know, fuel tubing. This is just drip line, and since I'm trying to sell this thing and that looks like that and this looks like this, I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out so I get a nice clean look here, and also make sure that the fuel filter is on. So I'm gonna come right back to that. Alright, so when I went to get the hose clamp off of this tube right here, I think I realized I probably didn't need a brand new carb at all. It wasn't leaking from anywhere, because I also just realized when I went to set this carb down that gas was coming out of it. You can see it right up in there. And I was like, well, if it's got gas coming out of it, then why did I, you know, it wasn't leaking probably. And so I looked at this tube right here. That'll focus on it. And wouldn't you know it, the metal ate right through this tubing here. And there's a nice 1/8 inch slit right there in the middle. So pretty sure I found out where the leak was coming from, but I already got the new carburetor on there, and I just need to get some more of this tubing extended down to that where the fuel feed is at, and this job will be done. Maybe I shouldn't use these type of clamps. Maybe I should use those ones that you get with the vice grips and clamp them down, but we're already here. I'll just wrap this up really quick. Alright, so there you have it. Fuel line, fuel filter, carburetor, it's all brand new. It's all brand new. You know what I'm saying? This just looks dirty. You know what I'm saying? So I couldn't find a little clip for the top piece right here, but it's just gravity, so I'm thinking we should be fine. And I was probably running it like that anyway. Aside from that, obviously got to fix this little area here. I'll probably hit this with a wire brush, spray paint it black, and probably re-hit this gas tank one time. I'm gonna leave the cap rusty though, because I like the way it looks. I might just leave that alone completely, actually. I'm not trying to spend too much resources on this. This is a quick flip. But aside from that, that's gonna end it for this part of the video. I'm gonna see if I got some air in my compressor and fill these up, and that'll be that. Alright, the compressor's empty, so I'll come back to this tomorrow, but this will just be part 1 of restoring this Honda motor Schwinn moped. Sitting on them gold things, you feel me, with the white wall yurt. Peace out. Yurt.